The Supreme Court on Wednesday heard a petition challenging amendments to the rules governing the electoral process. Following the hearing, the court issued notice to the central government and the Election Commission, announcing its decision to review the new election reform rules. The case hearing is scheduled to begin on March 17. Notably, Congress leader Jairam Ramesh filed the petition on December 24, contesting changes related to CCTV cameras, webcasting footage, video recording of candidates, and electronic documents. He argued that the Election Commission cannot amend the 1961 election conduct rules without public consultation. During Wednesday's hearing, a bench comprising CJI Sanjeev Khanna and Justice Sanjay Kumar issued notice to the Election Commission and the central government. The Supreme Court on Wednesday indicated its preference to transfer petition challenging the results of the CLAT 2025 examination conducted in December 2024 to the Punjab and Haryana High Court. A bench comprising Chief Justice of India Sanjeev Khanna and Justice P.V. Sanjay Kumar reviewed the petition filed by the Association of National Law Universities. The petition sought consultation of all related cases and their transfer to either the Supreme Court or the single High Court. Currently, these petitions are pending in the High Court of Delhi, Karnataka, Jharkhand, Rajasthan, Bombay, Madhya Pradesh, and Punjab and Haryana. CJI Khanna noted that the Supreme Court had already declined to directly entertain such petitions and expressed support for transferring them to the Punjab and Haryana High Court, citing its efficient case disposal rate. The Supreme Court has provided temporary relief to dismissed trainee IS officer Pooja Khedkar by stating her arrest until February 14th. After hearing her anticipatory bail plea, the court issued notice to the Delhi Police and UPSC. The matter was heard on Wednesday by a bench comprising Justice B.V. Nagarthan and Justice Satish Sharma. Khedkar had approached the Supreme Court after the Delhi High Court rejected her anticipatory bail plea. The stay on her arrest and any strict action against her will remain inefficient until February 14th. While hearing a petition on Wednesday, the Supreme Court directed the construction of special toilets for women, differently abled individuals, and transgender persons in court premises nationwide. The order was issued by a bench comprising Justice G.B. Pardiwala and Justice R. Madhavan in response to a writ petition filed by Rajiv Kalita. The bench emphasized that the state governments and union territories must allocate sufficient funds for the construction, maintenance, and cleaning of these facilities. It further instructed that the work be reviewed in consultation with committees formed by the High Courts. All states and union territories are required to submit a status report on the matter to the Supreme Court within 4 months. President Draupadi Murmu has appointed Justice Sujoy Paul as the acting Chief Justice of the Telangana High Court following the transfer of Chief Justice Alok Aradhe to the Bombay High Court. Justice Paul began his legal career in 1990 as a lawyer with the MP Bar Council and was elevated to Judge of the Madhya Pradesh High Court in 2011. He became a permanent judge in 2014 and assumed duties at the Telangana High Court on March 26, 2024. The Calcutta High Court has directed the restoration of tram trucks in Kolkata that were unlawfully covered with tar. Highlighting that Kolkata is the only Indian city with tram services, the court emphasized the need to preserve this unique cultural heritage. A bench led by Chief Justice T.S. Sivagananam stressed the importance of political will in safeguarding the city's legacy. The court instructed the Kolkata police to identify those responsible for covering the tracks and to take appropriate action by filing an FIR.